Hey there, my name is Claire Chewning and I am a registered dietitian and certified intuitive eating counselor. I am so excited to be partnering with Fresh Express to show you one of my favorite holiday salads.
Hi, my name is Edith Agoston and I am a certified holistic health coach specializing in plant-based nutrition. I love the holiday season and sharing with people that we can still be festive and healthy at the same time.
Hi, I'm Nicole, the Windy City Dinner Fairy, and for the holidays this year, I wanted to make something vibrant and fresh to bring to the dinner table. So I'm partnering with Fresh Express to make a beautiful persimmon salad. The red leaf lettuce that's in their sweet butter mix just adds a beautiful pop of color that makes any salad stunning. So I hope you enjoy the recipe.
Okay, so I made it to the store and there is a really good variety of Fresh Express salad kits to choose from. I'm gonna be making a candy cane salad using Fresh Express salad kits. Definitely a pro tip, make your own salad dressing. Time to enjoy my candy cane salad. It looks so good.
I love the quality of greens in every Fresh Express salad mix. I chose the sweet butter mix this time because of the vibrant color of the red leaf lettuce.
Wow, that looks so good.
Today we are going to be making a pomegranate citrus holiday salad with ingredients like baby spinach and goat cheese and candied pecans, pomegranate seeds, and fresh oranges. I hope you and your family enjoy this delicious and nutrient-dense salad as much as me and my family do, and I wish you a very, very happy holiday season.